I see the shape of these proceedings from time to time. Even the chairperson had to interject. When something is said about somebody has been threatened, the way in which the tribunal is addressed, it's as if it has happened. The same approach is adopted, which is that because she is alleging, then it means that sexual harassment. I have previously mentioned that the fact that she lodges a complaint, it is an allegation. It does not necessarily mean it is correct. Otherwise, it would be a far cry from the jurisprudence of this country, which is that somebody is presumed innocent until proven guilty. This should apply even to sexual harassment complaints. The notion of once somebody complains that they are being harassed, therefore it means you must be treated in a particular fashion. You must be ostracized. The media must demonstrate that here is this person. You've got journalists who are going to say, this person is filthy. How can you invite this person to come and talk as part of a panel at the University of Fort Hare, and so on and so forth? I would appeal to you at least, and maybe this sounds personal, that my view, and this, if this is repeated, I will keep on repeating it. The fact that she has lodged a complaint of sexual harassment in circumstances where I believe it has been made demonstrably clear that there were lies in material respects does not mean that there was indeed sexual harassment. That's a matter for argument.
I never said that there is sexual harassment proved here. I said she understood this as sexual harassment. That was all that I said.
Yes, but I'm saying you are pursuing that in this proposition and in our engagement. And I'm saying that proposition, with due respect, is fallacious. It has yet to be proven. So I've said a lot of other things within the context of what must be proved. For instance, what happens if somebody lies in material respects? Is that really a complaint? But I don't want to be a lawyer in my own case. I don't want to take it beyond that.
Maybe I should say this. JP, you can rest assured that whatever people may think, whatever the court of public opinion may think, when a person is accused of sexual harassment, yes, in this tribunal, there's no point of departure which says the person is guilty. Yes. Because otherwise the proceedings would be a charade. Yes. Otherwise the outcome would have been determined already.
Yes.
And I can give you an assurance that irrespective of what the public opinion thinks about this case,
yes,
irrespective of what anybody may think about this case, yes, we are going, first let me say, we don't view you as being guilty already, as you worry. Irrespective of what the court of public opinion may think, irrespective of whosoever may think what, we are going to decide this case on the facts before us and in terms of the law, irrespective of who may think what. You can rest assured.
Thank you very much for the assurance. And I would like to say I should never be interpreted as saying anything about the tribunal itself. I am actually addressing myself to questions that are posed. And I defer. I trust the tribunal. I trust the decision makers. But what the point I am making is that there's something like here in Xhosa, kungaqhuma kubasiwe.
Once where there's smoke, there's definitely fire. That's the direct translation.
Yes. I'm trying to engage Advocate Skeepers at the level of propositions that are made to me. I'm trying to steer her from the pathway that I believe she's seeking to walk on.